$10K. It was great. Great weather, great turnout, fun crowd. Overall, awesome race.
Yeah, I ran 10K. It was super cool. Great community here. Great environment, and I actually did PR today, so it was fun. It was a lot of fun. Yeah, just do it. Just sign up and do it, man. It's great people. It's a good challenge. You know, like running. A running world is a peaceful world, and everyone is enjoying and having fun. You know, thanks to the organizers, it's well put together. So I'll do it next year.
Yeah, we ran a 5K and we did the 5K challenge, so it was the 5th one in there, and we did it as a family, so we really enjoyed it.
It was fun.
It was fun.
What would you say to No? Okay.
It's just nice to come out, get fresh air, run, and just promote healthiness.
It was great. Great weather, great atmosphere, great music.
Loved it. It was a lot of fun. It's a great environment. It's motivating. You're going to have a great time. Definitely recommend it.
We did a 5K, and it was really great, and it was so fun.
It was our first 5K. We've been training for a while.
Wow.
This race is really fun, and there's a lot of good music, and you get a free beer. That's fun, and you get to do it with your friends, so it's good.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah. What did you run, 5K or 10K?
5K.
Yeah. What was your favorite part out there on the course?
Probably near the turnaround where I got to see all the people's faces. Once you get to finish and everyone is saying good job and you just feel amazing having completed something like this.
It's great.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
Great family activity. It's a chance to do something you've never done before, a chance to accomplish something you've never accomplished, and do it with your family. That makes it even better.
Yeah, there's absolutely no reason not to, really. I think that's what it boils down to.
It was great.
Yeah.
A lot of supporters out there.
It was really nice. Weather was great. Really great audience, and everyone was really cheering us on. So it was awesome.
So what would you say to somebody why should they come out and do a race like this?
Because it's really motivating and gets you really into the rhythm of it, and then you want to look forward to other races.
You couldn't ask for better weather out there. The course was nice, few hills, but you go up, you come down. It was amazing.
It was beautiful. Not much wind, perfect temperatures. It was awesome. You got to try this. You got to do it. It's an adrenaline rush. It's exciting, and you feel so good about yourself after.
Yeah. Hey, what'd you think of the race today?
It was a beautiful day for a race, and I really enjoyed getting out with everybody out on the course, and it just felt so good to be out there. This is really well organized. They really had a lot of energy at the beginning. They had, being out here was a very healthy thing, and we're for mind and body both. My first 10K I've ever raced, and second time with AMPT. AMPT runs in Murphy, which is close to my hometown. And I thought that they would be a really positive group to run with and a good organization to support.
It was great. We love it. I love running with my best friend, so it was good. To come and run with us, it's fun. We have a concert. We have a lot of vendors, so it's great.
I love this race. I love Angela. She's an amazing director. I mean, just the community. I'm so glad that we're back live and supporting Irving PD. My cousin Jason Cheer, he's a police officer for Irving. So
that was awesome. Good weather. Love the course.
You're showcasing the red, white, and blue today.
Yes, sir. RWB. Exactly, for veterans. It's an excellent race. It's a good course. Good support. A lot of people out here. Just a good day.
Pretty straight. Couple hills, but it's pretty good. Lots of people. Just lots of fun.
Just a little bit about everything. It was great. The weather was nice too. Can't complain.
Hi everyone, my name is Angela Cassavant and I'm the owner of AMPT Running Company. We are here today at the Toyota Music Factory doing the 3rd annual Toyota Music Factory Half Marathon, 10K and 5K. I want to thank all the runners, all the sponsors, vendors, partners, all the participants that have come out today to support the event, which does benefit the Irving Police Association. We are so excited to see everyone here, and we just thank you for your support. So we're super excited about our 2022 race calendar. We have 5 amazing events coming up. We're going to start off with our Town Lake Half Marathon 10K and 5K in March, and we will end it with our Hoorah Toyota Music Factory Half Marathon 10K and 5K in November. So several races in between there. Chutes and Ladders 5K, 10K is a great one to do in June. We also have the Hot Trot Half Marathon 10K and 5K in August. So lots of great opportunities to come out and run with us.
So what did you guys think of the race today?
Running with her. This is my first time. It was awesome. Visit family, and it so happened to be a run. It encourages them and only makes them faster and better and healthy. Yeah.
It's a fabulous course. I liked it very much.
Thank you.